Hi everyone, welcome back to my drawing channel. In today's video, I will be doing a sketch tutorial on how to draw two cute baby seals. For anyone wanting to download my drawing exercise sheet for this video, go to my Facebook group Draw with Connie to download it from the video drawing sheet album. I am going to draw the seal on the right side first. Let's sketch a light circle for the head and a half circle for the body. We are going to erase some of the lines that we don't need when we are done with the drawing. Next, let's draw a curve to make the body look round. When you are done, you can tilt your paper over to the left and then we will draw the face. You can lightly draw a line across the center of its face before you start drawing the two eyes. I am going to use a pen to draw the rest of the details that we will be keeping for the seal. Draw the nose right next to the bottom of the eyes. When you are done drawing the head, you can straighten your paper. Let's now draw the details for the body. We are now ready to draw the second seal. Let's draw a circle for the head and a half circle for the body. We can now draw the details for the face and the body. You can draw a line across the center of the face before you start drawing the eyes. Draw the nose right next to the bottom of the eyes. We can now draw the seal's body, starting with a curve for the seal's belly. You can draw the iceberg in any shape you like. When you are done with your drawing, erase the extra lines that you don't need. I hope you enjoyed watching today's drawing tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos.